Hello everyone, welcome to Wondering Wednesdays. Today's segment is called What's in the Box. This is where I do a blind unboxing of what will hopefully be some cool stuff. Quick note, this video is not sponsored or anything. I subscribe to these boxes just for my own fun. So today's box is the very first box from Teach Sparkle Pop. So this should interest all you teachers out there. This box was created by a teacher and her side business. So we want to support each other, so yeah. So when you subscribe to these boxes and you get a invite to the group that she has on Facebook, which is really supportive and awesome. And she also sends you out some really cool virtual resources. So if you're interested in that, link down in the description to her website. So let's get started. Let's open this up. Okay, so first we got some really pretty polka dots and stuff in here. So we have looks like some notes and a cool paper clip. So it says, post a picture of you holding your Teach Sparkle Pop box and tag us. Okay, and it gives all the info. Looks like, due to a vendor delay, the Tonkaroga pencils have been replaced by the self-care notepad. No pencils, but that's okay. And then we got another postcard here. Oh, and on the back, it has a list of everything that's in here. And this is the September Back to School Brave and Bright box. And then we got some stickers and bookmark. Okay, very cool. Let's dig in again more. Okay, so this must be that self-care notepad they were talking about instead of the pencils. That's really cool there. I like that. This looks like a pencil bag that says Teach on it. And inside, looks like this is who designed it, so that's super cool. Okay. Oh, got some pretty pencils here. That's super cool. Gummies. Gummies are always good. Yummy. Okay. Oh, we're definitely going to be needing these. This looks like a mask. So we'll be needing these in the next couple days. Not days, months, however long. Let's see. Oh, I like this. Teacher Tribe. Very cool. Okay. We got some binder clips in here. Very cool. Those are always needed. I love pens. Pens are like the greatest thing in the world. There's some pens. And it says, she dreams in full color. What is this? Oh, some type of scented thing. Very cool. Makes things smell pretty. I like that. Okay, it looks like that's it, other than some glittery paper. So that's what we got in our awesome box. So, hope you enjoyed. See you later.